Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at an 8.5 by 20 enclosed trailer. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains. This is a white trailer with a blackout package. There is 24-inch stone guard along the bottom and tip of your V-nose. This trailer does have a front passenger side door with a bar and RV lock. Coming inside our trailer, there is a step. To the front of our trailer, there are two tie-down points at the front and two at the rear. This enclosed trailer does have one 12-volt dome light with a switch by your door. There are push-out vents as well as a battery. This enclosed trailer does have an interior height of 9 foot. This trailer does come with the winch system. You have your box as well as your switch. This winch is a Badland 5500 Apex. Have your string going all the way down to the center of your rear loading ramp. This ramp does have an extended platform at the bottom. This trailer does have LED brake lights as well as two 10,000-pound axles. There are stone guard teardrop fenders. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 20 enclosed trailer. If you are interested in this trailer, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.